Hello fellow drivers, I want to quickly show you how to wire your second gen 1080p Super Night Vision wired backup camera with 7-inch LCD. As you see here, you do have your 7-inch LCD with your cable that you'll connect directly to your power cable. That's of course included. This is your power cable connected to your LCD. At the end of your power cable, you'll see you'll have 2 cameras because you are able to use up to 2 cameras on this system. You'll go ahead and connect your camera directly to your cable. Once again, you can select the cable length at checkout. Once you've connected your Super Night Vision camera, like that, you'll then go ahead and connect your cigarette lighter adapter power source. That's of course included. You'll then just literally connect it to this wire for power. And once again, this wire is coming directly from your power wire that's included. So I just literally plug that in, and that's how you are able to power and wire your 7-inch LCD backup camera with 2 camera option. Thank you for watching.